In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important topics in networking, DHCP, which stand for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Until now, we have configured IP addresses manually on each device, but in real life, in real networks, we can automate that process using DHCP. So let's see how DHCP works and how to configure it step by step on a Cisco router. So let's start. Uh, Before starting, I will going to explain what is DHCP. Actually, DHCP automatically assign IP addresses, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS to devices in a network. This saves a lot of time, especially in large networks with many PCs. The router can act as a DHCP server, and clients like PCs get IP automatically. If the users are about 1,000 users, we will give a dedicated DHCP server. You can also configure on a router like if the users are below 1,000. So we are taking here two PCs, one switch and one router for an example to actually how to configure it to get to know and how it works. So let's start. So in this lab I am using one router and two PCs connected through a switch. The network will be used is 192.168.10.0/24. The router interface will have the IP 192.168.10.1 and it will act as a DHCP server. So let's take two pieces and connect it with a wire cable. This and let's take a router, connect it with a cable. So this is the network topology we are using. Now we are going to configure a router, DHCP configuration commands. So first of all, we going to the router command line interface. Type no here, enter, enable. Go to the config terminal. So first of all, we will assign the gateway IP to the port uh, interface Giga Ethernet 0/0/0. We will give the IP address here. IP address gateway IP address 192.168.10.1. Also type the subnet mask 255.255.0. Enter. Now we will up the trunk port. No shutdown. So trunk port we can see here change to green, from red to green. Enter. Click here. Switch trunk port also got up. So click here. Then we will configure the DHCP. So IP DHCP pool, we are giving name as LAN. Enter. Now we will give the network ID here. Network 192.168.10.0. Also type the subnet mask dot 0. So here there is no need to give a default router gateway. Already we have given 10.1. Now we will give the DNS server name. DNS 8.8.8.8 here. Then exit. Now we will take the range of excluded address. So IP DHCP excluded addresses from 192.168.10.1 space 192.168.10.10. So these IPs will be excluded. Only from above 10.10 the IPs will be assigned to the PCs. So enter. So let's check. Minimize. Go to the PC. Desktop IP config. This is on static mode. So we have to change it to DHCP mode. So you can clearly see here 192.168.10.11. We are not manually assigned the IP. It will take automatically here. So check this PC also. Go to desktop, go IP configuration, change it to DHCP. So you can see 10.12. Okay. So this is the simple configuration of DHCP. I have take two PCs for an example. It is usually used when the users are above 1000. So we can check here also by typing this command exit show IP DHCP binding. So we can clearly see here which IP assigned to the which MAC address, hardware address. That's how you configure DHCP on a Cisco router. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. For more practical networking labs, next we will cover access control list to control traffic between networks. So stay tuned.